Welcome to the world's premier tech channel, where innovation meets expertise. Today, we're taking a first-hand look at a title that's making waves in the gaming world. Pokémon Pokopia. This isn't your standard Pokémon adventure. Pokopia introduces players to a fully immersive sandbox life simulation, blending the familiar creatures we love with open-world exploration and creative gameplay. Instead of focusing solely on battles, the game lets you build habitats, interact with Pokémon in dynamic ways, and customize your world down to the smallest detail. The technology behind this game is impressive. Running on the Nintendo Switch 2, Pokopia leverages enhanced hardware to deliver smoother animations, expansive environments, and real-time interactions that feel alive. The graphics, while maintaining the classic Pokémon charm, show a noticeable upgrade, giving both newcomers and veteran trainers a visually rich experience. For casual players, this means a more accessible, relaxing entry point into the Pokémon universe. You can engage at your own pace, experiment with creative ideas, and enjoy the game's cozy, welcoming design. For hardcore fans, the deeper mechanics and hidden features provide layers of strategy and long-term engagement. The impact of Pokopia extends beyond gameplay. It represents a shift in the franchise's design philosophy, embracing creativity and freedom over linear progression. This could set a precedent for how major IPs evolve in the next generation of consoles. As we explored the demo, it was clear that Nintendo is pushing the boundaries of interactive world building within a familiar universe. From habitat creation to Pokémon interactions, every detail is engineered to enhance player immersion and engagement. Stay tuned as we continue to follow Pokémon Pokopia's development and explore how it's shaping the future of gaming. With its official release just around the corner, this is one title every tech and gaming enthusiast will want to experience.